Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office and we're talking about yet another recall from the Blue Oval. Before we get started, if you don't mind, smash the subscribe button, helps a small channel out, thumbs up, and notification bell. So, Ford Motor Company is recalling over 355,000 trucks due to an error with the information panel display, or the IPC. NHTSA says that the recall is going to encompass 2025 and 26 models. Believe it, 26 already. We're getting a recall on those, including every Super Duty from F250 to 550 and some 2025 F150 vehicles. They're basically saying that an instrument panel display that does not show critical information such as warning lights or vehicle speed, increasing the risk of crash or death. Again, the number is 355,656 trucks. That seems like a lot. That might be almost a third of them. So, the blank IPC screen upon startup may render safety-related telltales and gauges unreadable in certain conditions. And that basically means that it could not clearly display critical safety information and could increase the risk of crash. NHTSA said that Ford has been aware of 95 warranty claims potentially related to the same issue as of June 26, and that the first added warranty claim was on January 30th. Now, they're basically saying that they're not aware of any reports of injury or accidents related to the issues. However, it is kind of concerning. Owners will be notified by mail and instructed to take their vehicle to their Ford dealer to have the IPC software updated. Customers will not be charged for the services. The remedy software will have the memory protection feature disabled, and that's what NHTSA says their fix is. So you might be thinking, that's interesting. They would just want to disable it. It's probably because they don't have a current fix to remedy everything for that. This is not the first instrument panel issue they had when the 23s and the Super Duties first came out with the new gauges. There was an issue and there was a stop sale on that. I don't remember the exact remedy of it, but they had to actually stop sale because way back when we were going to buy a new 23 on the channel, and right as I went up to say it, to purchase it and sign on the dotted line, they came back and said, we actually can't sell you the truck. So you can always go down to the link below. It's for NHTSA's website. You can type in your VIN. Recalls are always typically free to be repaired for the life of the vehicle, not just if you're the first owner or the 10th owner. So go ahead and head over there. It's safe to do. The link will be down below, and you can check any and all of your VINs in their website itself. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Safety first. I'm going to catch you on the next one.